Hello everyone, today's desserts will be marshmallow coconut bars. It's gooey and chewy and the perfect sweetness. So if you're ready, let's get baking. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. In a large bowl, I have finely ground graham crackers that I ground up using a food processor. I'm going to add in the butter, and then I'm gonna add in some ground cinnamon, and then just give it a good mix to combine well. You'll want the texture to resemble wet sand. With a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, pour in the graham cracker mixture and slowly spreading it toward the edge and covering the entire sheet. Pressing slightly with your hands and then flatten it using the back of a measuring cup. When it's even and smooth, pour in the condensed milk. With the back of a spoon, slowly spread out the milk and carefully going toward the edge. It is sticky, so do go slow or the crumbs will lift up with the milk. As you can see, it kind of lifted up when I was spreading it. But if it does a little bit, that's fine. And then I'm just going to spread the shredded coconut all over the top of the milk. And then I'm just going to drizzle the melted chocolate all over top of the coconut. You can use a piping bag if you wish, but it doesn't matter which way you choose. And then I'm just going to slowly spread out the chocolates a little bit. Once the chocolate is spread out, I'm going to top it off with marshmallows. These are the regular size that I cut into half because I had some leftover from another video. If you would like to see that video, I'll put the link in the description box down below. You can use the mini marshmallow too. And then I'm just going to sprinkle some of the graham cracker crumbs on top of the marshmallows. You'll want to bake it for 15 to 20 minutes or until golden brown around the edges and the marshmallows are melted. Let cool 2 to 3 hours before cutting into it. Here is the end results of the marshmallow coconut bars. I hope you will give this a try. The measurements are in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you will get my latest videos. Bye!